Hello, Namaste and welcome to my channel Ruthi.Ruth. My name is Ruth Nepali. If you are new to my channel, please do like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I am going to do a book review of a Nepali novel, Firfire. Firfire is a Nepali novel who was written by Buddhist Sagar, and Buddhist Sagar is a young novelist who was born in Kailali district. He was a journalist before he created his career in this area. He also created many poems, and his first novel was Karnali Blues. I think we all know that. Karnali Blues is also one of my favorite novels that I have read in Nepali. Talking about the year gap between Karnali Blues and Firfire, it is almost 5.5 years. And if you see in the last page of Firfire, you can see that it took him 3 years to complete Firfire. So if you'll ask me, then I will manage to know that the writer is same in Karnali Blues and Firfire because the aura from the words are similar, but it's only in my opinion. Your opinion might be different. You can comment in the comment box. Now going towards Firfire, I am emotionally attached with this novel, and I have wrote a poem called Balapan and a story from the inspiration of Firfire. You can check it out in my YouTube channel. Now there are two main characters in this novel, that is Basanta and Pawan. They are a good friend, I must say, and there are many other characters like Jutiama, Chilgari, Rocky Dada, Junu, Rama and many more. You can find it very interesting. And mainly the novel is about two friends, how the friendship bond is so pure, and you'll obviously get memories of your childhood. You'll love your childhood after reading this. So I must say the Basanta is a narrator in this novel, and he narrates all whole story. The story begins in Kathmandu, as Basanta is a writer. He had a beautiful daughter and he had a beautiful wife. Suddenly one day he had a phone call, then a person called him and says that your house in the village is going to be broken. If you want to see for the last time, you can come and see. Then Basanta his daughter and his wife went to the place, and by destiny or something, he then went to his school, where he heard a beautiful story from a little girl. Then he gets memories of his and Pawan's childhood memories, which he wanted to forget after a long time. He wanted to forget that, but then he gets memories of that, and then the story begins like this. The story here is a multi-layered. Even the character called Jutiama narrates the story very beautifully. This novel will do magic on you. You will laugh with the characters and you will cry with the characters. Even the writer himself told that while I was typing in a keyboard, then I was crying, and after every 4 to 5 pages you will cry. म आफै पनि 4 देखि 5 पेज पछि चाहिँ म रोएको थिएँ के. सो आई थिंक एकदम you will cry, and it have a very interesting after effects or aftermath, like for 1 month, for 2 months, for years. It's up to you how much emotional you are. So मलाई चाहिँ कति महिनासम्म बाहिर दुईजना बच्चाहरू खेलिराखेको देख्दाखेरि चाहिँ बसन्त र पवन नै खेलिरहेछन् कि जस्तो लाग्थ्यो के. So it have a very interesting aftermath effects, after reading effects. So I think this is the book which you have to read once in your lifetime. You cannot escape it. But if you are very much emotional to handle the pain of the characters, it's better not to read this. The writer have done justice to each and every character very nicely, and this book also consists of the typical village words like khitta hasnu and hikka hikka garera runu. We Nepalis, I think, can easily relate to this because we are growing up in this type of culture. We have been growing up, so I think we will easily accept these things. But there might be some critics who cannot accept it, but for me, I can accept it because I have been growing up in this culture. And this book also talks about the myths that are around us in our culture, which are deeply rooted, but we cannot escape through it because of some reason. We know the real things, but also we cannot escape through it. You can find this in this novel, and here the love story of Pawan and Moon is a pickle for the novel. You're gonna love it. So I suggest you to read this book once in your lifetime. And if you have more, if you want more book reviews, you can comment in the comment box. I would love to share it with you. Thank you.